Welcome back with a new lesson 13.3 using trigonometric ratios to find sides. Our lesson objective is to find sides of right triangle using trigonometric ratios. With the beginning of this lesson, also here we will remind you with the trigonometric ratios. So if we have a right triangle ABC, our ratios with respect to the angle A, for example, sine A, we said that it is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse, which is equal to A over C. To find cosine for the same angle, we will find the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is equal to B over C. And to find the tangent for the same angle, which is equal to the ratio between the opposite side to the adjacent side. And this is equal to A over P. Also, we need to remember in this lesson the Pythagorean theorem, which says that sides A, if it is squared, plus side B squared, this will give us the square of the length of side C. In this lesson, you will be given an angle and a side in the right triangle in front of you, and you will be asked to find the lengths of the other sides in the triangle. Let us see some examples on this. Suppose that you are given side A is equal to 36 and 7/10 meters. Angle A is equal to 42.1 degrees. Find sides B and C. To solve this question, let us put our information on the graph. So angle A is equal to 42.1. Side A is equal to 36.7. We need to find B and C. Let us begin with finding side C. So you must think of the trigonometric ratio which combines between side A and side C. And this trigonometric ratio is the sine of the angle. So we will say that sine of angle A will be equal to the opposite, which is A, over the hypotenuse, which is C. Let us substitute our information in this formula here. So sine 42.1 will be equal to A, which is 36.7, over C, which is unknown. So to find C, we will divide 36.7 over sine 42.1. And the result here is 54.7 meters. Now, since we have A and C, it's easy to find side B using the Pythagorean theorem. So A square plus B square equals to C square. This will lead us to that 36.7 squared plus B square, which is unknown, equals to 54.7 squared. And the result here, we will have P is equal to 40.6 meters. So let us summarize what we have done here. We have got two information only, side A and angle A. We used the ratio that combines between side A and side C, which we want to find it first, and that ratio was the sine of the angle. When we substitute in this ratio formula, we found C. Second step, using the Pythagorean theorem, we can find the third missing side in this triangle. Let us take a second example. In this example, you are given the length of side A, 236 kilometers, and the measurement of angle P, 49.7 degrees. Find side B and side C. We will do the same steps we have done with the past example. So we have the measurement of angle B, which is 49.7. We have the length of side A, which is 236. Now it depends on which side we want to find first, C or B. So thinking of finding C, what is the ratio that combines between side C and side A for angle B? With respect to angle B, we are having A, which is the adjacent. We want to find C, which is the hypotenuse. Adjacent with hypotenuse, this leads us to the cosine of angle B. This will equal to the adjacent, which is A, over C. So from this, we can say that cosine 49.7 is equal to 236 over C. So C is equal to 236 divided by cosine 49.7, and this will result 364.9 kilometers. Now, using the Pythagorean theorem again, a square plus b square equals to c square. Substituting 236 squared plus b square, which is unknown, equals 364.9 squared. Solving this, you will have that P is equal to 278.3 kilometers. A final example. You are given A is equal to 19.2. You are given the angle B, which is 63.2 degrees, and you are asked to find B and C. With respect to angle B, we are having the adjacent for it, thinking of finding side B first. So the trigonometric ratio which combines between A and B, which are the adjacent and the opposite, this is the tangent ratio. So tangent B is equal to P over A, and this means that tangent of angle 63.2 is equal to P over 19.2. To find B, we will multiply 19.2 times the tangent of 63.2, and this will result 38 feet. Then to find C, we will think in the Pythagorean theorem. So a square plus b square is going to be equal to c square. From this, we can say that 19.2 squared plus 38 squared is equal to c squared. From this, if we solve it, we will have that side C is equal to 42.6 feet. By this, we reach the end of our lesson. Thank you.